Hey guys, I want to show you this. This is a dog broom, a dog brush, a 2-layer, pretty thick on the top, thinner on the bottom. Watch what it does with the hair on the floor. Okay, I'm going to reach in front of you, but just watch. Look at that. Is that crazy? Now the first, what I did first is I went in and got the gobs of hair out with my hand that I could. I did this on the other side at the dog park, and people were watching what I was doing, and they said, "Oh my goodness, I never realized," because it's hard to vacuum up and all. So, hey, you just grab what you can with your hand, areas where you can't get the brush. This is a lot better than vacuuming. I mean, it does a lot better job. I mean, look at this. I've never got that much hair off of the carpet. And I'm going to try it indoors on the carpets too, and see what happens there. If it comes out good, I'll put it in this video. So, hey, tell me what you think. Try it out. All right, this is the part of our bedroom that she usually lays next to my bed when I'm sleeping. So, here we go. Nothing coming up, but it's getting down there pretty deep. So the vacuum works pretty good.